In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Store not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now restart your phone. Your phone, now open Play Store app. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play Store not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.